The Grand Wagoneer project is back in business. Hey everyone, welcome to WagonWorks 803. My name is Garrett. If you're new around here, this is my 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer project that I am slowly restoring. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome and thank you so much for watching this video. Over the past 2 years, I have been slowly letting this thing rot. I haven't been working on it. And in this video today, I'm gonna tell you why, do a full walkthrough on everything that I have done to the Jeep, a progress update, future plans, and much more. So it's been a while since I've given a full pictured story of my 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. If you're new around here or a returning subscriber, let's start from the beginning here. In 2020, I bought my 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer project in Muskegon, Michigan for around $4,800. This thing was running and driving, all of the wood grain was on it, it was untouched, it was as rusty as can be, being given a northern vehicle, of course. So at the time, I was working at a Mako, and I was just so excited to have my very own first project car. I've never had one, and boy did I pick a good one, right? No. So I started working on it with a buddy of mine. From August of 2020 till around the end of 2021, I made some progress but didn't get very far. In 2022, at the beginning of the year, I packed my things and moved, and I put this thing aside and just kept it in my mom and dad's garage. Mind you, I was living at home when I bought this, and I bought it behind their back. If you want to hear the full story of that, check out this video here. It's a good one. But anyways, I kind of put this thing behind me and I didn't look back, didn't touch it for a year, didn't do anything. In 2023, I ended up moving back to Michigan and I kind of got started working on this thing again. But again, I didn't get very far. In 2024, last year, I didn't touch this thing at all and I was saving all my money for a house, and I have finally got one, and I got a nice 2.5 car garage to work on this beast. So it is now time to finish up this thing. I feel like I've been saying for quite a few years how I want to get this thing all fixed up, get it painted, and I hope that you subscribe and like the video and join along for this journey because we are just getting started. I have so many plans for this thing. Enough of me yapping, let's do a quick walk around and I'll show you what's going on with the Jeep. So here's the interior of the Jeep. Last year I drove to Petoskey, Michigan, and I bought some blue Jeep interior parts, including this door skin here, this door panel. I thought I wanted to do a blue, but I'm not too sure anymore, and I need your guys' help. What color should I paint the exterior of the Jeep, and should I leave the Jeep interior alone, or should I change it up? Let me know what you guys think. The overall condition of the interior isn't too bad, the driver's seat being the worst of it all. I'll put some video here of it. So this past weekend was the very first time that I got to working on this Jeep again. We got both of the fenders off, the grille, front bumper, the hood. I think it was November of 23, I ended up stripping the hood, which it got a little rusty, just a little surface rust, nothing that can't be fixed again. There's the grill that goes on the Jeep. My plan is to get new fenders. I want to do a wide track treatment. Since the Wagoneers didn't receive the wide track treatment with the large flares, I have picked up some fenders. I got them last year in Canton, Ohio. I drove 3 or 4 hours for them. Maybe do some bigger axles. I know I'm gonna have to get bigger tires, wider wheels. I wanna do some bronze bullet hole wheels. What do you guys think about that? I'm open to suggestions too. I really want some feedback. Since we're gonna be doing a color change on it, I'm thinking about doing the Dodge Hellraising color or the black eye color. I'm gonna be stripping the doors, de-trimming everything. So that means door handles, all of the trim, the glass, the weather stripping on the exterior and the interior. Oh, right here. And we're gonna be doing the jams too. Doing the best job that I can possibly do. And I'm also having a couple friends help me, so it's not just me doing all of this work alone. I really would like to paint this thing within the next 2 months. I have a wedding to go to. Shout out to my friend Dean, he's getting married, and I want to drive this thing to his wedding. So we gotta get this ball rolling. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Got lots going on with this thing. And I may also have bought another Jeep Wagoneer that is sitting outside that is next in line after this thing. So make sure you subscribe and like the video. Every Wednesday at 7 p.m. I like to call it Wagoneer Wednesdays. I upload a video on this, or recently I've been doing Jeep history videos, but now this is back in the works. I'm gonna be focusing most of my energy on restoring and making this thing a total head turner. So subscribe and like the video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and see you next Wednesday at 7 p.m. Take care.